for about over 3 years. I've had the PS300 EQ and it's done very well for me. Extremely happy with it. But I recently needed some more portability to escape from the cord, and I picked up the PSC 420 EB. This cordless jigsaw, I've heard crazy reviews, but I'm pleasantly surprised by how remarkable it performs. I'm super happy with all the capabilities of it, and it makes me more mobile. I can run in and just get something done really quickly, not having to spend so much time looking for power or having to hook something. So I definitely would recommend this cordless